Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ke West Jaiñtia Boxing Association haringkat ke Jingïakop lang bat ke District Sports Officer West Jaiñtia Hills District kala pelong ya rinsan Kura ke ba Sngi ya ke balatiap kum ke All Jaiñtia Open Boxing Championship arjar arpulai hamadan dai masih lat halabo hak arpsau trik leber arjar arpulai ya kan ke rinsan Kura la pliru Superintendent of Police jong ke West Jaiñtia Hills District u Bikram di marak ubulalong kum kongsan hakabala sakhilang do officer in charge jong ke Jowai Police Station uba S Manar kinongkit kam jong WJBA bat kiwe hak si Sdang jong ke Lempung la pendap haduk Hatsan Baut bala shim benta dagi kena kentei bat cenrang hak kerdan sub junior youth bat elite kirang bagi thai le ka gi blarung syak Jingïakop final hak kerdan sub junior kilong ukotius sena hak kerdan junior kilong dame wan hi dhar medres tang udabet miki dhar bat umenu u emi khongla hak kerdan youth kilong u victor dio pasa uchan mi phawa uchan bok warjari bat kadaka hi paya lingdo hak kerdan elite kilong udaibor mitre khongla wada me hi paya khongla pinyolat mi pala wachan dame lamari hei wada thrang suchang bat uwena talang.
I'm excited when I got the invitation from the organizer itself. That's why I can't deny at the same time, but I was little disillusioned because of the weather today. I was thinking the program might get cancelled, but again I called up the organizer, and one of the organizers called me up also that let us wait for the weather, and the weather god has really showered and blessed us also. So I have heard the length and breadth about the yeoman service of this association, which is taking forward this particular sport in bringing and disciplining the youths in this boxing ring. My earnest request to this association, whatever yeoman service you have been providing to these youngsters, the young boxers of the district, and securing medals after medals, it itself speaks a lot about the association, which has been working hard to groom the youngsters. My best wishes to the association to take forward the young boxers to the another level. And with these few words, I declare this championship open. Thank you.
I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I'm gonna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get on set. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, and I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get on stage.
By split decision.
I lost my feeling from my head to my toes.
Who is the winner?
I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show.
Unanimous decision in the blue corner.